Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer for this love pain, yeah? Ooh, I need it.
Hi everyone, it is Keisha the Crafty Planner. Welcome back to my channel. This week I am going to be planning in my skinny happy planner. This is the classic size skinny. It was originally the Rongrong planner, and it has this skinny layout. This week I'm going to be planning for the week of January 13th through the 19th. And because the 13th is National Sticker Day, I thought I'd pull out my Miss Maker sticker book and use this to plan out something fun this week. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so in this teacher book, this was released 2018, I believe. There is a sticker in here I want to use, and it is Sticker Day. So let's see if I can, here it is. Let's see. It's on this page, so right here. So I'm going to use this, and when I found it, I discovered that it really matches very well with the Miss Maker. So I'm gonna stick this right here. Oh, I forgot to take my pages off, so I'm gonna take those off first. All right, so I'm gonna play off of those colors using the Miss Maker book. Now, in here there are some large stickers, these, and I'm kind of wondering if they will fit in this bottom section. So looks like if I cut it off, I should be able to use it. So I really like to use my Miss Maker washi tape along the bottom. All right, so I didn't find the one I was looking for, but I do think I'm going to use this one. Since that big sticker is a little too big, I'm going to go ahead and put this down. To cover up the bottom here. There's a little bit of shadowing through it, but that's not going to bother me. And then I'll put another piece. All right, so I'm going to put it right across here. All right, so now I'm gonna take this sticker well, it's not wide enough, but I'm not gonna cut it at all. I'm just gonna put it right here over the top. All right, and there's some shadowing underneath, but that's okay. Now, let's see what else. Of course, I want to use the sticker books. Hopefully I have enough of them in here where I don't have to go through all the other books to try to find it. I thought this was the book that had that sheet of sticker books in it. Maybe not. Let's see. Okay, well, here's one. So I'll go ahead and add that to that page at the top. Let's see if there are any more. Okay, I have some more. All right, so I'm gonna have to pull another book. Okay, so I pulled this accessory pack. So there's some more of them in here. Okay, let's see if I can get some to go on the other side. Looks like there are some right here. And it looks like these are the ones that don't have the gold foil. So let's try something different. Let me see if I can pull this one up. Okay, so this one will go here. All right, and we'll put one of these here. Okay, now I'll pull this one up and put it on this side. All right, so that means I need one here. And let's use the green. I think I'll use the green down here. All right, okay, so that's not too bad, I don't guess. It's kind of odd, but let's keep going. So now let's see what else I can find. Let's see. I think I'm gonna pull my Colorful Boxes book. Let's see. what color boxes I have that can go on here. I could use the gold, but I really want to play on the colors that are here. Not exactly a rainbow spread, but I guess a rainbow spread. All right, so here's one. I'll put that one here. Okay. Let's see if there's orange. I really don't want to put those two right beside each other. Let's see if there's a pink one. I probably used all of my pink that I'm looking for. Okay, I'll put this one here. All right, now let's see, I'll put one more. See if I can find a green. All right, so here's a green. I'll put this green one down here at the bottom on Thursday. All right, now need something here. Let's see, I've got purple, pink. Let's see if there's an orange. I don't think there's an orange block. Let's see. What about blue? All right, so I guess I can use this one. That doesn't look too bad. This one, it's gonna be a little bit, okay. I can cover up that weekend banner and it will fit. All right, so now let's see what else I want to add. I love the layout on this skinny planner. It is just so quick and so easy to complete. I wonder how, let's see. And I guess it doesn't matter how many times I say that, I'm still going to be indecisive about what stickers to use. I guess part of that is having so many of the sticker books that it sometimes gets a little overwhelming. I got these to do. This one is cute. So I'll put this one here on this side on Wednesday. I do have something to take care of on Wednesday, so that one there, and then to bring the purple across the page, I'll put this one on Saturday. All right, now what else? Let's see. All right. I feel like I need something in this section right here. Let's see what's in this book. Going back to the accessory pack. Or what is this called? The multi-pack. So I could use this one. Kind of put it here or here. All right. And this one here says create happiness. I can put it right here. All right, so I'm liking how this is coming together. Oh, I can use this cute little sticker right here. It says, I love stickers. As I certainly do. All right, this is kind of fun. This is a kind of fun spread. Let's see if I can find... Don't know if I need another one. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it like that. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it like this. And let's go ahead and put it back on the disc. See how it looks. Okay, that's kind of fun. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.